This is What the Fluck Radio's Birds of a Feather. We are an indie music focus show rife with witty, fuck-laden, insanely interesting, and unhinged banter. Our thematic submissions will confuse, infuse, and delight you, while our fascinating fun features fluster, flummox, fulfill,
I can't hear you.
And
Sorry.
thrill you because it's on the wrong setting. So just a second as I turn it back to the other way.
There you go. Now it's how we were under the impression that this artist had submitted without all the information, and we were going to be those pathetic fucking enablers once again and play you, but it turns out you did the right thing, and well played. The band in question, No Hard Feelings, and
Perfect.
can't beat that.
Perfection.
No Hard Feelings that we thought you fucked up, and you didn't.
You know, I fucked up.
But I want you to know, even if you had, we were going to play you anyway.
We were going to play you.
Yeah. We are glad at least people will know who you are.
That's right.
All right. And the song is called Go Big or Go Home. And this is a very, very local band that defines itself, and I think quite accurately, as pop punk. And you got to beef with that. We love pop punk here.
Great combo.
And they're from Lake Elsinore, California.
What?
They're local. They're right down the street,
corner.
right around the corner. I get there in 15 minutes. Turn the light on the front porch. We'll be right over.
That's right. We'll be right over. Let's jam.
All right. It is new style punk. Very energetic, very youthful. I don't know how old the players are offhand, but they play like kids, kick-ass little kids. It is... and in this case, I feel that they went the extra mile. Personally, my ankles are aching like hell just listening to these incredible double bass
Yeah.
rolls up the wazoo, and a really pretty tasty melodic guitar break. This is young punk, but not bullshit Blink-182 stuff. This is, I personally, probably
shitting on Blink-182.
Probably their favorite band. I apologize. You're way better. I like this act, Go Big or Go Home.
Chances, so I can face the unknown's words. Maybe my
All right. Hey, no hard feelings, guys. That's the band, No Hard Feelings, and there certainly won't be any. And we had a good time with Go Big or Go Home, and you can find them on Facebook at No Hard Feelings CA, as in California. No Hard Feelings CA on Facebook.